This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can change the measurement units on this drone. So to start, you will need to make sure that everything is switched on and interconnected. Now enter the GoFly interface or GoFly mode of the DJI Fly app on your remote controller or on your smartphone, depending on what generation of the RC you have, or what edition mostly. Anyway, while in the flight interface, launch settings by tapping at those three horizontal dots. Next, at the top, select control category, and the very first option that you'll see here is units. So you can switch them between metric meters, metric kilometers, or Imperial, so feet, pounds, and whatnot. Or rather, not feet, the miles. Yeah, miles. So that will be it about changing unit system on this drone. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.